I'm Jessica Wills with your Fave-Five. Today we're talking Valentine's Day gift ideas. We're bringing you the hottest products on the market that'll make your loved ones feel extra special. First up, let's start with Kendra Scott. They truly have a present for everyone you love. We're talking earrings, necklaces, rings, bracelets, so many options. You can customize your gifts today and have them ready by Valentine's Day. Their pieces are absolutely beautiful, and here's the best part, the price is always affordable. Next, for the plant lovers out there, check out the Deco Glass Valentine Heart Centerpiece. They can build their own terrarium with whichever succulents they want and place it in the living room, home office, or anywhere that needs a little pop of color. It's simple to use and simple to set up. Here's a great gift idea for kids, the Lego Creator 3-in-1 flowers and watering can building toy set. It's perfect for the whole family to do together, and it's simple enough to assemble that kids of different ages can all participate. Once it's complete, you can display it somewhere in the family room as a keepsake memory. And while you're in the family room, why not cozy up with your Valentine in the comfy original wearable blanket? It's made with ultra soft Sherpa lining, has oversized sleeves to keep you warm while watching a movie, and my favorite part, big pockets to keep your hands warm and carry all your snacks. Sounds like the perfect Valentine's gift to me. And lastly, give the gift of canvas prints with Easy Canvas. Turn your favorite photos into stunning, high-quality canvas art. Whether it's a family photo, a scenic landscape, or a special memory, it's super easy to customize and build your beautiful canvas. It's delivered right to your door. Don't wait until the last minute to purchase one of these gift ideas. For more tips and product recommendations, head to bestreviews.com or scan the QR code that you see right there on your screen.